Today, I will blow up Lego Iron Man along with the car with this bomb. Haha! Lego Iron Man, today is your last day!
We have to save our friend from Lego Darth Maul. If I find him, I will burn him alive.
Lego Yoda, are you okay? No one got hurt. We have been cheated. Please get up quickly. We have to save our friend.
Iron Man, you go out of here quickly and save the Power Girls. Lego Darth Maul. That beast will kill him.
Okay guys, take care. I will finish the Lego Darth Maul and be back shortly.
No matter how much you scream, no one will come to save you.
I have come, Lego Darth Maul, today. I will end your game. You did a lot of wrong, Lego raising hands on the girl.
I have to get out of here, or it will kill me. Iron Man, I will come back to take revenge on you. Iron Man. How did Iron Man survive? I had offered food on the road, and there was a sound of his car exploding. But how did he survive? I will not leave you.
Run, Smoke Granite! Run away from here! But yes, no matter where he hides, I will find him and kill him! This is my life!
Lego Iron, where is your friend?
Oh my God, we have to save our friends. When I was coming, the Lego car exploded on the way. Power Girls, we have to get out of here quickly. And yes, he is very injured. They have to heal us.
Lego Iron Man, we are alive. Where are you? You are not visible to us.
This is the voice of our friends. I think he is fine now. Hello, friends. I am here. The train is running near this train. Lego Yoda, are you okay? Are you not seriously injured? Have you repaired yourself?
Yes, we are fine. But where is that Lego Darth Maul motherfucker? You killed him. Did he go where I want to see him?
Sorry, friends. He has escaped from here by dodging us, but yes, we will find him in some time, and we will eliminate him and erase his name and trace. But yes, it is very difficult to find him. We must have been engaged in this mission right now, so that we could finish Lego Darth Maul.
Where can we find him so easily?
Okay.
We don't even know where he went, but yes, we have to track him after that. We can find him.
Ooh, you are right. We have to find him soon and eliminate him. Otherwise, he doesn't know who will trouble whom. But we have to work hard to find him. Let's leave from here now, and we have to continue the search for him. Otherwise, we can't escape. Lego Darth Maul, your death is coming closer to you. Listen, keep your eyes open, and if you feel anything, immediately tell your partner. Otherwise, Lego Darth Maul can attack from anywhere and can kidnap anyone. That is why we have to alert. Lego Darth Maul, your death is coming looking for you.